Hey y'all, Natalie here today, and I am here with a very quick live crafted layout in my camping album. I just received this new stamp set and die from the Cherry on Top store. It's called Spectacular Adventures Stamp Set by Alta New. Get it? Spectacular, because it's a pair of specs. Get it? I've had my eye on this stamp set for a long time, but the die wasn't in the store until recently, and it just dropped, and I'm so pumped, and so I grabbed it. And I'm not gonna lie, it is a little smaller than I expected, because obviously I didn't read the description on the size, because I just thought those aviators are adorable and I need them. But then I was thinking, well, I'm glad that they're that small, because look how perfectly it fits on a traveler's notebook size page. It's absolutely perfect. So I had to make one. I woke up early, couldn't sleep this morning, and I thought, let me go play with my new stamps. So I'm going to choose the mountain forest scene, obviously. And I'm stamping the inside first. I'm using my Lucky Clover Distress Oxide. And I'm doing it twice with my stamping platform. And then I'm going to do the outline of the glasses in, what is it called? Juniper Breeze, I think, or Juniper Mist by Catherine Puller, and it's like a navy blue color. I need to get a re-inker because my pad is looking a little dingy. Juniper Mist, there it is. Look at that. Those are just like junipers in the picture. Perfect. So I'm doing that photo of my son over there. The green color was, and the stamping was inspired by his shirt, obviously. I have that background paper from an old collection by Pink Fresh Studio. And Pink Fresh Studio does like a travel collection or like a non-feminine collection. I mean, that is my love language, y'all. So I am loving this. And I don't know if you have caught Heidi Swapp stamping recently, within the past 6 months maybe, but her stamping videos give me life. And so I'm kind of trying my hand a little bit at some Heidi Swapp stamping here. I'm just going to combine a bunch of different stamps and kind of like, I don't really overlap any, but I kind of nestle them into one another. I thought about using the stamping platform, and then I thought, no, you know what? I'm going to use my clear stamping block, just because I'm going to be using these Catherine Puller inks, which are really crisp. They don't need a double stamp usually. So, yeah, I'm going to try my hand at a Heidi Swapp inspired stamping bit, and it does turn out really good. I'm really excited. I have these two collections. They are from the National Parks one is from In a Creative Bubble at Studio Calico, and the other one I think is Road Trips, is by Christine Heron, Everyday Explorers. I love her stuff. Super cute. So I'm just kind of alternating the colors, nestling the stamps together, like how those two worked really well together, and doing some words and some icons. I really like a good stamp set that has plenty of icons in addition to words, because I like to mix and match both. So I like this little, I don't even know what you call it, crossroads kind of thing. So I do the same color scheme as I did in the glasses in this, I don't know what that's called. If you know what that's called, let me know down below. You know, like where they have like the little X and they fill in the little blanks. I don't know what that's called. I'm sure it has a name. So I was going to use the die and cut something. I was kind of like pop. I don't know what I was going to do, but I actually loved how well the stamp did on the page. So I decided I would save that idea for another time. But this stamp set also has a beach scene and a city scene. And I was just thinking, wouldn't it be so cute to do photos in the glasses too? Like you were looking at something or someone else. Oh my gosh, I'm going to totally do that. So I'm going to link down below with my affiliate link if you would also like to get this adorable stamp set and do that too, because I'm super excited about the idea, and you can definitely know that you will be seeing this show up on my channel again. But there are still some in the store, so I'm going to link down below if you want to go grab it. Treat yourself. Stocking stuffer, you know, Christmas bonus time. Hopefully some of you guys are receiving a Christmas bonus. Oh yeah, it's almost the end of the year. Wild. So that is an older Wild Whisper paper. But I loved the colors. They worked really well, contrasting with the darker blue of the Pink Fresh Studio, and it had pops of that green as well. So that was really fun to find that. I'm just going to use it to outline the white paper here. And I still don't have any ATG gun tape. I have it on my Christmas list, but I just haven't been to the store to grab any, but using that tearaway tape, and it works really well. So I'm loving how this looks. I'm going to pop this photo down there. I'm just going to do a few stickers like collaged around it, and then that'll be it. Like I said, it was a super quick layout today. That's from a really old sticker set by, let's see, who is that by? It is Echo Park Paper. I think it's pretty old. Let's see. It says, copyright 2015. So yeah, pretty old. But the colors were right. And so I wanted the white to stay on the bottom of those mountains to kind of work with the white across the page. And so I added that other white little sticker from the Cocoa Vanilla Studios to again add another pop of white. I am adding in some Wolfpack puffies by the wonderful Heidi Swapp, who inspired my stamping. I love those, and I'm going to need to find some more packs and hoard them, because if I run out of them, I'm going to be sad. So I just add another little arrow up here at the top, and that's going to call it done. Super quick little page in our camping album. I'm super happy how it turned out. Check out the links down below if you want any of these products and more. Add a cherry on top. And thanks for watching. I'd love it if you'd like and subscribe. Bye, y'all.